Welcome to KaiScissors.com. I'm DIY designer Jane Manzuris. Today we're talking about the KaiScissors 5.5-inch double curved blunt tip embroidery scissor, model 5130P. It's the perfect tool for snipping into small tight spaces, but the blunt edge also adds safety. And this safety feature is great for long arm thread trimming, so in case you drop the scissors on the quilt, it won't poke a hole. This 5.5-inch double curved blunt tip embroidery scissor replaces the standard duckbill applique scissor. The blunt tip is great for in the hoop applique cutting of stitched fabric to trim right up next to the stitching. These scissors are made from hardened stainless steel, which allows the blade to hold its edge longer. And don't forget to order your scissors lanyard for all your small needlecraft scissors. It's a great way to protect your scissors and have them with you all the time. Overall, these scissors work great for getting up close, and that's key when you're working on any embroidery job. And there you have it, the KaiScissors 5.5-inch double curved blunt tip embroidery scissors. We want you to have the best tools for all your sewing projects. So for sharp, smooth, fatigue-free cutting, you'll find what you need right here at KaiScissors.com.